Geniex Review, legit 4.5% ROI crypto MLM or scam? My name is Scott and I have been an accountant for 32 years. I have heard some talk this latest crypto MLM to pop up and I decided to investigate. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon to receive future videos. Chances are someone approached you about the business opportunity or the investment opportunity and now you landed here to make sure it's on the up and up. As your investigator, I will guide you through the company, products and compensation plan so you can make an intelligent decision. Just watch this to the end and pay close attention. Geniex Review. Geniex Group Limited uses trading robots to produce returns from cryptocurrency transactions. Geniex doesn't show either who runs or owns the company. I did do some research on their domain geniex.cc. They privately registered on September 30, 2021. They do have an address on their website: Tallis House, 2 Tallis Street, London, England, EC4Y0AB, and found out that belongs to Regus, which is an office space company. In other words, they are a virtual company without a physical location. For me, those are pretty big red flags for an investment company, but let's keep going in this geniex.cc review. Geniex reviews the products. Geniex offers neither retail products nor services, so you must become an affiliate and promote the affiliate membership. Once affiliated, you can also invest into the company. Another thing geniex.cc offers is their own crypto token, which they just called geniex.cc token. As of right now, it's not publicly traded and you can buy it from Geniex for $1 for 1 Geniex token. They plan to release this on PancakeSwap, where you can use MetaMask or Binance Chain Wallet. Geniex scam. Geniex compensation plan. Geniex has affiliates invest into the company on a promise they will get a guaranteed return on investment. Geniex has just one investment plan where you can deposit several different cryptocurrencies or USD. To make things simple, I am just going to use USD for my example. Invest $40 to $100,000 and receive 4.5% daily for 33 days. I did the math on $100,000 because why not, right? With $100,000 invested, I will receive $4,500 a day for 33 days, which makes total income $248,500. Net return will come in at $148,500. If you want to withdraw your principal, there is a 15% fee. Referral program. Geniex has 2 sets of commission rates for deposits and income. Commissions are paid as a percentage on the deposits and income of your downline members through a 3-tier uni-level compensation plan. Deposit commissions level 1 to 4%, level 2 to 2%, level 3 to 1%. Income commissions level 1 to 7%, level 2 to 4%, level 3 to 2%. Cost to join geniex.cc review. Geniex Global Limited is free to join as an affiliate. However, if you want to be part of the investment opportunity, you must invest at least $40. Unlike all the other geniex.cc reviews out there, I am going to tell you the truth in the final verdict below. Final verdict. So does the Geniex scam exist? Let's just look at the facts. First, we have no idea who runs or owns the company but wants you to invest anywhere between $40 to $100,000. Second, they claim to generate these crazy returns through crypto bot trading, but they show no proof of that happening. Third, if they could legally pull in 4.5% daily returns, they wouldn't need affiliates or an investment plan that starts at $40. Sometimes you have to think about logically. I personally don't recommend this company, but as of right now they are paying out. However, you just never know when they will pull an exit scam on people. If you want to learn how to build a proper profitable business online, check out my #1 recommendation where you never have to worry about being exit scammed on. My #1 recommendation. If you landed on this blog, you want to actually know how to build a profitable business online, right? First time ever we are offering a business course that helps you build any business online, including network marketing. You are going to learn exactly how to drive your ideal customer to your website, collect their emails and convert them to buying customers without ever talking on the phone. Once you learn this skill set, the sky's the limit when it comes to building your business, and I have personally generated 6- and 7-figure businesses in different niches. Plus, every single person gets a one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is being done properly. I hope you enjoyed my Geniex review, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Follow me on social media below. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon to receive future videos. P.S. If you are tired of failing any business, click below and check this out to take your game to the next level.